There are literature forms whose purpose is to please or entertain, and to these groups belongs blank. Ano pong belong dito? A. Editorial. B. Fiction. C. Journal. D. Epistle. Okay? Sabi niya, purpose is to please or to entertain. Alam niyo po, yung mga ganitong concepts, no? Ayan, hindi po yan nawawala pagdating sa Gen Ed. Almost every season, nandyan siya. Nandyan ang concept na yan. Tinatanong tayo sa mga iba't ibang literature forms. So kaya po, familiar dapat tayo dyan. Ano pong sagot natin for question number 3? Ayan. B. May nagsasagot ng A. Alright. Tamang sagot po natin for question number 3. This is letter B. Okay? So tama po yan. No? Tumpak. That is fiction. O, differentiate natin siya. Pag sinabi kasi nating editorial, that is a publication's opinion or a writer's publication opinion on behalf of the publication. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, ang editorial ay sinulat ng isa sa mga periodista, no, sa isang newspaper on behalf of the editorial board. Okay? So, it's a form of opinion writing under journalism. Okay? Ayan. Ang journal naman natin, di ba? Pag sinabi kasi nating journal, pag sinabi mong journal, okay, we are referring to your records, to your accounts of experiences. Okay? Pag sinabi naman nating epistle, yan po ay isang letter, especially a formal or didactic one. Tatandaan po, kapag nakita sa board exam sa salitang didactic, ibig sabihin po niyan ay to instruct, to inform, to teach. Okay? So we have epistle. Okay? Ayan. So tamang sagot for number 3 would be fiction, 'di ba? Because it aims to amuse us, to tickle our curiosity. Ayan, hindi mawawala diyan si science fiction, historical fiction, no? Si horror, si fantasy. Okay? So that is letter B. So ibig sabihin yan po ay based on fantasy, no? Based on elements that are not true.